Okay, now this was the third pilot plane we've now seen. So as you can see this time, that was not a Cessna, but it's not a Cessna this time. As you can see, it's now this one here, which is now Piper PA-28-180, and the rate is G-CDEO. As you can see, that's now the third pilot plane we've now seen. But what I would have to say, there's been so many aircrafts that's been flying around my place today, but especially with civil helicopters and plus military aircraft as well, because literally they've been flying over my place today. I want to say that's probably because there has been quite a lot being here today, and especially because even if I've been to visit Arminis Cold Rose today as well, so for a visit, so because this is why I've meant to see Military Merlin Mark II and the Avenger T1 as well. So anyway, so yeah, as I really can tell, there's been an awful lot of aircrafts here lately, so this has been an awful lot here today. So as you can see, this was taken off at his base at, wherever you can see, Perranporth Airfield, as he was on the ground at 5:05. As you can see, that took off at Perranporth Airfield, you know, at his usual base at Perranporth Airfield. And you can see, look, he's just now where we just first saw it there. He was at, he was flying here at 15,000 feet. So he was coming here at 50,000 feet. And yep, and that is the third pilot plane now seen. So yep, as you can see, that's up, and again that's operated by Perranporth Flying Club as well. So that's the plane with Zachary saw yesterday. So that was the plane we saw yesterday, as he was coming for our load past yesterday. So that was the plane we just saw yesterday. Apparently that was yesterday one we just saw, which is this one here. So as you can see now, he's just now dropped at 11,000 feet, as he's now, you see now it's passed over near St Maur's by the looks of it. So yep, and hopefully this should be heading back to his base at Perranporth Airfield, hopefully for the time. So yes, thanks for watching, bye bye.